Just because someone broke your heart does not mean that someone else cannot repair it. Pain doesn't last forever, and neither does heartbreak. It might feel impossible to trust again, but life has a way of surprising you. The right person will come along, not to fix you, but to show you that love is still real. Healing takes time, and it starts with believing that better days are ahead. Don't let one bad experience close your heart. Keep going, keep believing, and one day you'll realize your heart is whole again.